So what's up? Presenting you 8 marketing strategies that you must learn. So moving on, number 1, easy. People took for an easy solution make everything less complicated. People being some crazy enough, right? Number 2, people need something instant that promises a quick pay of solutions, like given as in the figure download now. He wants or she wants the quick pay of solution. Free, third one, free. Who will resist a free bill? Think about the freemium concepts. Freemium concepts attracts the people and audiences so that the marketing strategy will grow up to a higher level. Rushing out to an offer, limited. Scarcity will create a sense of urgency. People might think highly valuable offer. Going to the sales and making the marketing strategy to the higher level. This is a limited strategy and a growth hack of an digital marketing. Businessmen promoting their sales, tagging limited time offer and a sale. What? Because? Why? Because it all thinks about emotion versus logic. Tell them why your product services is a better opinion. Think about the emotion versus logic. This is a growth hack. Follow the growth hack so that you get at least some of the good advantages enough. Everyone wanna know secret and love secret tips and hacks. Growing your business to growing anything, growing in any subject matter, secrets do matter a lot. Maintaining secrets and evolving your business out is a great hack. Do remember one thing, this doesn't only compare to the business, it also relates directly to their e-commerce services or any related services. Basically, relating digital marketing to the e-commerce services or e-service providers. Doing a business physically or digitally. Remember, no risk, no gain. Everybody wants to feel secure in giving their time and money. Finally, you clearly make it all about the customer. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one.